Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we brought for you another problem for the linear partial differential equation. So today problem is algebraic and trigonometric expressions, they combined they are asking. So problem is d cube minus 7d dash square minus 6 d dash cube z by x square by y. This algebraic expression, sin x plus 2y trigonometric expression. They are asking solve this question. So already you know how to write the auxiliary equations. First we write the auxiliary equation. So before this what we will assume? D equal to m, d dash equal to 1. Now write the auxiliary equations for us. M cube minus 7m minus 6 equal to 0. So we got the 3-degree equation. So now first we will find the root for this equation. So how to get the root for this equation? Already previous problems we discussed, but again you see here. Suppose here m cube minus 7m minus 6 is there. Put m is equal to 1. You see what is happening. If will come 0, then we will divide that. So 1 minus 7 plus 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, so it is equal to 0 is coming. If putting the m is equal to 1, getting 0. M is equal to 1. 1 plus 7, yes. If putting m is equal to 1, so it is coming 0. This is 7, no? That's why I am saying minus 6. So it is not coming 0. If put m is equal to 1, it is not coming 0. Now put m is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 7 minus 6. So it is coming 0. So if putting m is equal to 1, not coming 0. M is equal to 1, coming 0. Then what is the rule for this factorial? So m minus 1 means m plus 1 divide m cube minus 7m minus 6 you divide. So what is the rule for the division? Here m cube is there. Make this term m cube. So m cube how will come? Multiply m square. If we multiply here m square, it will come m cube plus m square plus m square. That means m square means multiplying m plus 1. So this coming. Now bottom part plus minus, this plus minus, this get cancelled. So minus 7m minus m square. So you can write minus m square minus 7m. Now again what is our target? This m is minus m square should come. So minus m if we will multiply, so what will come? Minus m square. Then minus m. Now minus plus, this get cancelled. Now what is coming? Minus 6m, m minus 6. So what now? 6m. So minus 6 if we will multiply, minus 6m minus 6 plus it will get cancelled 0. So what root we are getting here? M plus 1 and m square minus m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0 we are getting. Now again we are getting second degree equation. So first we write here, first what we got? M plus 1 m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0. Now again second degree equation. Immediately I told, suppose here see, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is x formula? X root minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is called quadratic equation. Now here what is a? Here for this given problem, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 6. Substitute in this equation. So then for our equations what will come? M is equal to minus b, so 1 plus minus b square 1 minus 4ac. So this minus is the c, to 24, 6 into 24, whole divided by 2 into 1. So what is coming? 1 plus 5, 25 square root is 5 by 2. So now this m is equal to how many root? Plus or minus 2 roots. So you can write m1 is equal to 1 plus 5 by 2, m2 is equal to 1 minus 5 by 2. So what is coming? 3. What is coming? Minus 2. So other root will come, m is equal to minus 1, this will come 3 and minus 2. So we got 3 roots. So how to find the root? This is the method. If 3-degree equations, put m is equal to 1, not come in 0, leave it. M is equal to minus 1, come in 0. Then m is equal to minus 1, m plus 1 divide this given expression. You will reduce the power. So now second degree equations came. Now second degree equations, you cannot factor. Lot of rules will be there, but this rule will be always any type of equations you can solve, okay, without wasting your time. So substituted this value, we got these two. Now root once you got now, then we will write CF immediately. Complementary function. What is f1 y minus x plus f2 y plus 3x plus f3 y minus 2x. We got the complementary function. Then we will find the particular integral. So particular integral, we have two terms, algebraic and trigonometric. So pi1, pi2, both will find out. Okay. So up to complementary functions over. Now these things I will rub it. So this is the method to how to this. You cannot write in problem side just you calculate and you rub it. Okay. So this is not include in the solution. So the side just you calculate and you write this. Now particular integral. So we have pi1. pi1 now you write this expression. What is d cube minus 7d d dash square minus 6d dash cube. D dash power 3. Here d dash power 2. So x square y I am taking. So x square y. X power 2, y to power 1. So what is algebraic expression? So we'll take either 1 plus x power minus 1 or x power minus 1 form. We'll bring this. So see here, you take here common d cube. Common take d cube. So here what will come? 1. Now here d cube once taken common now, minus 7 d dash square by d square. 1d get cancelled. So it will be d square. Take this bracket. Then it will come plus 6 d dash cube. No d is here. So d cube divide. So this we got 1 minus x. Now you write numerator 1 by d cube. You can write 1 minus 7 d dash square by d square plus 6 d dash cube by d cube, small bracket and then big bracket minus 1. So 1 minus x formula came, no? This came into 1 minus x. What is formula for the 1 minus x? 1 plus x minus x square. Like this will do that. If you have 1 plus x, 1 minus x, so 1 plus, what is formula there? 1 minus x, no? So 1 plus x square, like this will be there. 1 plus x square. 1 minus x formula. Okay. So now this is not there now. We will not write 1 minus x power minus 1 equal to, well, this is called binomial expression. So 1 plus x. Now we'll substitute this value. So I'm going to write this side again. See here. What is that? 1 by d cube as it is. Then 1 plus x. So 1 plus, what is x? 7 d dash square by d square plus 6 d dash cube by d cube. What is given here? Plus, no, you write like that, write like this. Then plus dot x square y. How many terms will write? You see here. First term is d dash. Already you know d dash means differentiate with respect to y. So here y having only one term. If d is there, y differentiation will come 1. D dash now y will come 0. So second degree equation onwards we can neglect it. Higher order can be neglected. So higher order of d dash can be neglected. Why? Because d dash if y now it will come 1. D double dash y it will come 0. So d dash itself is coming 1. Next we will go to 0. So we will not write this. So what we will write now? This you write here. 1 by d cube. 1 by d cube, multiply this x square y plus, if we differentiate this, what will come? 7d dash square. So it will come 1 only. So we cannot write this. So this itself is closed here. This itself closed here. Now 1 by d. What is the meaning of 1 by d? 1 by d na integration. Integrate with respect to x. Integrate with respect to x only. 1 by d dash integrate with respect to x. What will come here? 1 by d square na x cube by 3y. Then 1 by d is equal to x power 4 by 12y. Then finally, one more time, x power 5 60y. So this we got, this what we got here? Pi1 we got. So when Pi1 we know now. Pi1 we know now. So what Pi1 we know? X power 5 60 by y. Now I will go Pi2. So now I will go Pi2. So now we'll rub it here. Okay, here Pi. Okay, here itself we start at least something. Pi2. What is Pi2? D square minus 7d dash square minus 6d dash cube. What is that? Sin x plus 2y. Now see here. What we can write here? Trigonometric terms na, what is rule? D square is equal to minus m square. This minus will not be in the square. This minus will not be the square. D dash square is equal to minus n square. Then d dash is equal to nothing but minus m into n. So what is here m? 1. M is equal to here given 1. And n is equal to 2. So what we write here? Minus 1. Minus n square, minus 4. Into mn, minus 2. So this value I know. Now we'll directly substitute this. Now I will bring here, the total terms will bring here and we'll calculate. Pi2. Pi2. What is? Substitute this value. D square, D cube, no? How we wrote this? D cubic equation, no? D cube minus 7 d dash minus 6 d dash cube. Okay. So d cube is there. So d cube we can write d square into d. So what is d square? Minus 1. So write minus d. Minus 7. D will come. D just as it is right. D dash square minus 4. So minus 4 at least one time you write. Minus 6. Again d dash cube you can write d dash square into d dash. So d dash square is minus 4 into, so this make it 4 d dash. So okay. So these expressions we got now. What we got here? Minus d. Then this part is just adding minus d. Okay. Now write next steps. Okay. 1 by 28. No. This one is 28 plus. So it will come 27. It will come. Okay. Just 27. Minus 20, oh, this is plus, no, minus plus, so 27d plus 24d dash. We got this. You write here sin x plus 2y, you carry this also here, sin x plus 2y. Okay, now, anything we can take common, so we can take common 3. So 1 by 3 I am taking common, we reduce the term, 9d minus 8d dash. Sin x plus 2y. Now look here. Trigonometric terms only we can substitute d square, d dash square, d dash. But this term not there here. This square not there. What? How will bring the square? We will multiply the conjugate. We will multiply the conjugates. What will be the conjugate here? 1 by 3, 9 minus 8d. So 9 plus 9d plus 8d dash divide by 9d minus 8d dash, and here also 9d minus 8 plus 8d dash, sine x plus 2y we are writing. So this called conjugate. This and this again will get cancelled, so same thing will come. So we can write. Now why we did it like this? Because we needed square terms in denominator. Because trigonometric terms we are substituting this format d square, d dash square, d dash square. So right here 1 by 3. This as it is right, 9d plus 8d dash, but here 81d square minus 64d dash square. So a plus b, a minus b. So it's coming a square plus b square. So what is here? A minus b is there, a plus b is there. This is nothing but a square minus b square. Now as it is right, sine x plus 2y. Similar things you substitute what is here there. So equal to 1 by 3 as it is, 9d plus 8d dash. Now 81 into d dash minus 1 minus 64. What is d dash? Minus 4. D dash square minus 4 sine x plus 2y. Now we'll solve this. 81 and 64, how much will come? We'll write now. So this part I will rub it now again. Now you come this side. This will solve. Denominator part will solve. So how much is coming? 175 will come. This will come 175. So that implies 1 by 3 into 175, 9d plus 8d dash square sine x plus 2y. So this is coming sine x plus 2y. So okay. Just 1 minute, what happened? It will come minus. So plus is there, no? Just wait. Here minus plus 2070, this is called plus. Just change it is there. Minus plus. So minus 70 to 27, this is called plus. This will be plus. Then this terms will be minus. This term will be minus. So this already coming plus. This is coming plus. This is coming plus. This is coming. Oh, this one's multiply, no? Conjugate multiply. It will come finally minus only. If you multiply the conjugate a plus b, a minus b, this will come minus. So this is the minus. This will be plus. Now, okay, I think so. So here 60, 24, correct, 8 plus, so now it's correct. Now 9d plus 8d square. So okay, 9d plus 9, this conjugate, no, conjugate will be the minus then. This conjugate will be multiply minus. Any other changes? No, this is minus. So 90 conjugate minus, this is plus. This okay, now it's okay. So this will be minus. This will be here minus. Now look here. 9d, right here. 9d minus 8d dash. What is that? Sine x plus 2y. What will do? D the differentiation with respect to x. So 9 cos x plus 2y into 1 minus 8. D dash not differentiate with respect to y. So sine differentiation cos x plus 2y into 2. So how much will come? 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16. How much? 9 minus 16 will be there. 9 minus 16. 7. So it will come finally minus 7 cos x plus 2y. Finally what will come? Minus 7 x plus 2y. So directly what we can write here? 1 by 3. This write minus into 7 cos x plus 2y. It will multiply this 175. It will come minus 175 cos x plus 2y. This is called Pi2. So total Pi is equal to Pi1 plus Pi2. then complete solution is equal to CF plus PI. This will be the answer. This will be our final answer. So minus 1 by 75 cos x. So look here again. This sign term, we substituted this value. We got the single digit. This D and D dash. But trigonometric terms only will be D dash square value is available for us. So this 9D plus 8D. Now conjugate means opposite sign we have to multiply. 9D minus 8D, 9D minus 8D. So A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. This negative. So this substitute this value again, and we got this. Now numerator is the 9D, so we have to 9D differentiate with respect to x, D dash differentiate with respect to y. So finally this you are coming, you add here, you will get the answer. So okay students, just revise these questions. Okay, thank you.